Well, here is a brief tour of the garden for family and friends. It is June 3rd. So at the front we have the herb patch, basil, rosemary. Let's get nice and close here. Basil, not sure what that is, oregano maybe? Parsley, and the massive perennial chive plant. A couple of sweetie tomatoes here. They haven't taken too well to the hardening off process. The leaves are pretty sun damaged, but they've been in the ground for a week and they're still standing up, so I have hope that they're going to recover and flourish. Now this beautiful patch of greenery is the garlic I planted late last October. It's just growing gangbusters, so can't wait to see what it looks like below ground. Here we have some kale. This is the Armenian cucumber, also looking kind of sickly, but still standing up at the ends, so I have hope that it's going to thrive. Here's a row of sweetie tomatoes again. More kale. This is the one lone black-seeded Simpson lettuce that I didn't plant it. It grew from a seed I must have dropped in the fall. Here on the mound here is patty pan squash. The squirrels have been digging in the mound and I keep shoring it back up. So also not looking terribly strong, but it's supposed to be a creeping vine, so let's see how it goes. Now at the back here are my peas, which I'm very happy about. Don't know if you can see the white string, but I've managed to train them up so they're going to grow up the fence instead of along the ground. So that's pretty great. They put out these neat little creeper shoots every day, which will wrap around anything. There it is. So I just had to put the first one, I had to tie a couple of them like this. Just put it near the string, and ever since that first day they've been climbing and climbing, so that's great. Here's a row of San Marzano tomatoes. These guys took to direct sunlight very well. They're getting bigger and growing happily. This wet patch here is some cucamelon seeds that I planted about a week ago. They haven't come up yet, but I have hope. This is, you know what, I think I've gotten the tomato types mixed up because I've got some black cherry tomatoes in here somewhere. But anyway, there's a row of tomatoes. More tomatoes. It's all tomatoes here in the shade. They won't grow as much because they won't get as much sun, but should still get something. And right along the front here, there's rapini and other kinds of kale planted. They haven't come up yet. Direct sown about a week ago. So that's it.